We're going to do a review. Sudotack. Microphone set. We're going to do a review. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Ian J. Cole. I'm a musician and a composer, and my channel's all about music and art, and we're going to do a review. And I've been sent this beast. This is from a company called Sudotack, and it is a podcast microphone set. So let's see what's inside the box. We've got a microphone stand, we've got a shock mount, we've got a table clamp, we've got an anti-wind foam cap, cable and a pop filter. So let's have a look. So we have a little instruction manual. Here is pop filter, windshield, and then we have the bracket and the shock mount, cable, table clamp, and last but not least, the microphone. Now the microphone feels, this is a cardioid microphone, and it has some good weight to it. It's metal construction. It's pretty, seems pretty robust. What we should do now is put all of this stuff together, and then we'll give it a try and see what it sounds like. Okay, so what I've done is I've plugged the microphone straight into a USB on my Mac Mini, and I've opened up a digital audio workstation I use called Reaper, and I've just had to change the settings to microphone. So it is now picking up the microphone, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some recording with it. So let's see how manoeuvrable this is. I think what I probably will do is probably move the microphone over to the other side so that I'm more likely to use this screen. But for this test, we'll leave it where it is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to capture the audio from the microphone. I'm going to screen capture the Sudotack website. So we'll talk about having a quick look at that. So here we are on the Sudotack website. There's a little bit about the company, so let's have a look. We know they're a Chinese company. Sudotack is formed to bring innovative products and high quality service to each customer with new and unique shopping experiences. They don't just do microphones, they have a range of microphones. So they have professional condenser microphone, a professional studio condenser, and this particular microphone. So this particular microphone has got the model number, so this is the ST-800. Now the important thing about, I'm just going to move the microphone slightly. Now the important thing about a condenser, cardioid condenser patterned microphone is that if I talk to the side, it will change. And if I talk to the other side, so that's the right side, That was the left side. You really do need to talk right in the middle of it. The clue here is that there is a Sudotack name, and that's where we should be talking into the microphone. The other products that Sudotack do is they have some keyboard and mouse, like a gaming mouse. They do beauty products, and they do handbag organisers. But we're not concerned with that. So, my feelings are, I'm going to swap in a second to the pop shield and take this little tinker off. Initial thoughts. I think the quality of the arm is acceptable. It's not the best quality, but the bracket that holds it is pretty solid. It's nice to see the shock mount, which works really well. In fact, I've got several of these. I've used several of these shock mounts over the years. Let's swap out the actual windshield for the pop shield. Shape. There we go. That's good. So here we are now with the pop shield instead of the windshield, so we can hear what the difference is. So let's just look at what the specification of this particular microphone is. So cost in US dollars is $52.99. It's currently on special offer via the Sudotack website. It's normally down from $66.99. In the UK, I'll put the price for the UK in a link down below. I think it was £49, but round about £50. So let's have a look at the specification. So USB connector connects straight into your computer or laptop. It has a sampling rate of 96 kilohertz at 24 bits. It's a 16mm diaphragm condenser microphone, and it is recommended to be used for podcasting and recording. So specification, this polar pattern cardioid. As I said, the thing to do is you need to be right in front of it, because the sound from the side and sound from the back won't be great. Frequency response is 30 hertz to 16 kilohertz. Sensitivity is minus 38 dB plus or minus 3 dB, and the equivalent noise level is 106 dBA max. Maximum SPL, sound pressure level, is 120 dB with a signal to noise ratio of 70 dB. I have to say, when choosing microphones, I don't tend to take an awful lot of notice of the specifications. Maybe I should, but that's just me. I'm much more concerned about what it looks like, what it feels like, how it sounds. So I'm just going to have a quick listen to the file that we've created, and then I'll do some final conclusions. So I've moved the Sudotack microphone arm over to the other side of my desk. It's much better here, and I've just been running a couple of little more tests on it. Very happy with the microphone. Sounds great. It's got excellent sound quality. The USB plug-and-play. Now, the USB plug-and-play is not something that I would normally use. I would normally use an XLR to a studio microphone and then put that into audio interface. Having said that, I think if I was taking my laptop and I needed to go and do a recording session with somebody, it's a really good portable way of taking a high quality microphone on location and being able to get studio quality recording from it, and I will probably be doing that at some point. It is a little, I find it the fact that when using a digital audio workstation, I have to change over from my standard audio interface to the microphone on the computer, a bit of a faff, but that's just the way with USB type microphones. It works fine. If you're not using an external audio interface, then just plug it in and it works. It works, you know, and it's very, and it works really, really well at doing that. I like the fact that it's all in one. This looks great, although I would probably use the pop shield more than that. I've just popped it back on there. But overall, really good microphone. Highly recommend it. And for less than £50, a bargain. Yeah, the 16. Transducer supports a strong bass response. Condenser, which the plug-in